Hi everyone, this is Cindy of Create the Heart, and I'm back with a card share. So I had bought this stamp set with the last release, and I'm going to probably use it again with the barn die, I think, because I did color some more images of the set. Not a ton. I think I'm going to do something with the barn. I just haven't gotten to it. So I really wanted to use the last release before I jumped into the new release. So this one is called You Goat This, and I have the stamp set, I have the die. It's super, super cute. I also use the new platform pop-up, and what I realize is I might need a little bit more practice with it. I think I didn't do something quite right because it doesn't quite close well, like smoothly. I mean, to put in a in an envelope, it doesn't really quite do it. So I think that I need a little bit more practice, but of course this is the first one that I made. So the way that this die works is you should be able to fold it completely flat, put it in an envelope, and then when the person pulls it out, there's some directions to like push here or whatever, so they can push up. I also used the add-on, which is this background add-on, and I'd seen on Pinterest someone had cut it out using the mountain die, which I have, to make a mountain in the back, and I love the look of it, but I think that's the part that maybe screwed up me having to do it. So I have no problem showing you guys my mistakes so that you guys know, like, this is a thing. You might have the same problem I do. It's a really, really cute. I do think I just need more practice with it. But this is the platform die, and I used the goat, You Goat This stamp set. And so it says, hey there, hope your day is happy on the front. And everything comes with these layered pieces that fit together. I just didn't use all those layered pieces because I used this cardstock, and I don't know. I just used this piece right here. I thought that was kind of enough. It has a bow that goes all the way around it. I mean, lots of cute little pieces that actually come with the die. It comes with the a grass or hill piece that fits perfectly on the little slats, and then you can put your images. And I've seen people build really tall, like build the images up tall. I don't know how they did that. I guess I'll have to watch some videos and find out. But I think it came out cute. But I don't know. I guess it's just going to be sitting in my craft room because it doesn't fold really well. And maybe I'll put it in my daughter's room. I think it's really cute. So that's the platform die. I like it. I just, I need to work on it a little bit more before I show you guys how it's done. So this is a traditional slimline card. And I have this grass, but it's only like this long. So I cut it twice, trimmed one of them, and kind of pieced it together. And then I just made sure that I put my image kind of on that pieced together spot so it was less noticeable. Anyway, it says, you are the goat, greatest of all time. The goat I'm using, and I might outline the letters more in pen, but anyway, you are the goat. This was just paper I had in my stash. I ended up using my Distress Oxides to do the sky, and this is Harry's alphabet, I think it is, from Lawn Fun. It was the same release as this one, and then I colored all my cute little goats in Copics. And I just made a little scene card, which I thought was really fun. And then this fits in I believe, a number 10 envelope. A lot of people sell, and I have one somewhere. I probably should pull it out and make envelopes. We could do maybe an envelope thing. But I do want to show you, or do maybe on camera, how I put together this. But I need to practice more, or at least, I don't know. I feel like this was so close to being perfectly done, but not quite. I think it's really cool though. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy of Create the Heart.